Hi, this is Vigneshwar, URK19CS1052. In this video, we're going to see about IPv6 stateless address auto configuration. So here I connected PCs, laptops and server, and here I also PC, laptop and server, and two switches and one router. So this is a IPv6 stateless address configuration. So now we're going to move on a router first. So here I'm going to CLI, and now I maximize this and enable config tree and IPv6 unicast routing. IPv6 unicast routing. 1 second. IPv6 unicast routing, and here in GIG 0/0 and int GIG 0/0 and IPv6 address of, here I give address for this one. So now we give to this 2001 is to db 1 second, I see here db 8 is to 1 is to 1 2/64 and no shutdown, and same as we give int GIG 0/1 and IPv6 APD address of auto config and IPv6 address of 2001 and db8 is to 1 is to 2 is to 2/64 and EUI 64. 1 second, wait. So here I did give space for EUI 64, so now I give correctly and no shutdown, and I give end, and so now we're going to see about this one. So here you see all in the green slides. So now you see here I give a desktop IP configuration auto configure. Wait, once again auto configure. You see here IPv6 auto config request is successful, and we close here. And so here we going to same as laptop, so I already give auto config. So here also you see IPv6 auto config request is successful, and now move on to PC1. So here also you see that IPv6 auto config request was successful, and same as laptop. Here you also see IPv6 auto config request is successful. So now we ping and check whether it's ping or not. So now I open PC zeros command prompt, and as well as I open laptop IP config and PC 0 ping this IP address 2001 db8 is to 1 is to 2 is to 201 is to C9 FF is to F E95 and A E0D. So the reply is come. So here you see the ping status is for this IP address that package sent and received at one, and the time also it's come. So it's PC02 laptop 1 ping is successful. So now we're going to see this server. So ping 2001 and DB8 is to DB8 is to 1 is to 2 is to 207 is to GC FF is to FE89 is to D89E. So that reply is coming here and that ping was successful. So average time and minimum time is came. So now here we ping next one. So now I ping this router and now we ping PC0 to laptop 1. So ping 2001 is to DB8 is to 1 is to 1 is to 20 C is to C FFF is to FE08 is to 5550. So that reply was coming here, so the ping was successful. So this is a laptop. So here all ping was successfully abandoned, and that IPv6, this is IPv6 stateless address auto configuration. So thank you for watching this video.